If the thought of recording a video makes you want to hide under your duvet or fake your own disappearance, I feel you. We all know video traffic is king right now, but honestly, staring into a camera lens is about as fun as a root canal. And editing, that takes hours of your life that you will never get back. ClipsPro AI claims to fix this instantly. They say you can turn a keyword into a viral cash cow video in 60 seconds without showing your face, without recording your voice, and without hiring expensive freelancers who ghost you after taking your money. Let's see if it is actually true or just more marketing hype. Hey everyone, Kamal here from TestedApps.com. I've spent 6 years in the trenches of affiliate marketing and SEO. I test tools that promise the moon so you don't have to waste your money. Today we are doing a deep dive review of ClipsPro AI. I am going to give you the honest truth, real results, no fluff. And I will tell you exactly who needs this tool and who should stay far away. Before we jump in, a quick heads up. If you decide this tool is a good fit for your business, grab it through the link in the description below. I have put together an exclusive bonus package worth thousands. These are custom bonuses designed to help you get traffic and make money with this software. Check the link below for all the details. So, what exactly is ClipsPro AI? Basically, it is a cloud-based software built for the faceless video trend. You've seen those channels on YouTube and TikTok, the ones with millions of views that never show a human face. ClipsPro AI uses artificial intelligence to build those videos for you automatically. The main promise is simple. You give it a topic, it gives you a video. It handles the script writing, it handles the visuals, it handles the voiceover. It is designed for affiliate marketers, local agencies, and anyone who wants traffic without the grunt work. Let me break down how this actually works. It's a 3-step process that is easier than assembling IKEA furniture. Step 1 is the login. Since this is cloud-based, you can use it on a Mac or a PC. The dashboard is clean. You don't need a PhD in computer science to figure it out. Step 2 is insert keyword. This is where the magic happens. You just type in a keyword, for example, weight loss tips or crypto news. You can also paste your own text if you want. The AI scans your keyword, it writes a script for you. It searches a massive library of stock footage and images, then it matches the visuals to the words perfectly. Step 3 is sell and profit. You hit the render button. In under 60 seconds, you have a full high-definition video. You can download it and upload it straight to YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok. It's that fast. Now let's look at the features that actually move the needle. Here's what I like. First is the AI scriptwriter. Writing scripts is usually the hardest part. It takes me 3 coffees and a mild headache to write a good script. This tool does it in seconds. The scripts are actually engaging and designed to hook viewers. Second is the human-like voiceovers. We are done with those robotic voices from 2010. You know the ones that sound like a broken GPS. ClipsPro AI uses advanced neural text-to-speech. The voices sound natural and real. This is crucial for keeping people watching. Third is the auto subtitles. Did you know 85% of people watch social media videos on mute? If you don't have captions, you lose them. This tool automatically generates trendy subtitles for you. It saves you so much time on editing. And finally, the commercial license. This is included on the front end. That means you can sell these videos to clients. You can charge local businesses for video marketing services and keep 100% of the profit. Let's talk about the price. Usually video software is expensive. Tools like Adobe Premiere cost a monthly fortune. Even other cloud tools charge you $30 or $40 a month. ClipsPro AI is launching for a low one-time price. It's around $14 to $17 depending on when you buy. That is literally the price of a pepperoni pizza. But unlike the pizza, this asset keeps working for you forever. When you compare that to hiring a freelancer on Fiverr, it's a no-brainer. 1 minute of video editing on Fiverr can cost $50 easily. Okay, let's go over and play a quick video explaining this a little bit more.
My name is Ivy. I will read any text you type here.
While you sleep, your phone silently updates apps for better performance. It tracks your activity to provide personalized insights. sleep. While you sleep, your phone silently updates apps for better performance. It tracks your activity to provide personalized insights in the morning. Your phone syncs data to ensure all information is up to date. It receives notifications so you can stay informed while resting. The phone prepares content to keep you engaged upon waking up. You might not realize all the your phone silently up better performance.
I almost say that it's I almost say that it's kind of like a chess game between God and Lucifer. I almost say that it's kind of I almost say that it's kind of like a chess game. I almost say that it's kind of like a chess game between God and Lucifer, and the human beings being its pawns. Some characters play bigger roles than other. So it's a completely different look.
How would it feel if you could create tons of mesmerizing faceless videos in just 3 clicks, even when you're enjoying in the mountains or sipping your favorite cappuccino, and ultimately get 10x more audience engagement and conversion without doing anything by your side? And the coolest part, you could put this on repeat mode and create stunning faceless video for days, weeks, months, and even years to come on red-hot topics with just 3 clicks of your mouse. I'm talking about a revolutionary technology that uses artificial intelligence to create mind-blowing faceless videos for any offer in any niche, without investing tons of hours or paying tons of money to expensive freelancers. Unless you're living on Mars, you must be aware that faceless videos are the next big thing in the customer engagement universe. And more than 62% of Fortune 500 companies are already using them secretly in their marketing arsenal to get maximum audience hooked. Check out the following numbers that amazed us as well. 98% marketers in USA will increase their faceless videos expenses in Q4 2024. Brands using faceless videos get 1.5x more engagement compared to the outdated ones. More than 46% videos trending currently are faceless videos. 1 out of 4 customers hits call to action button used with the faceless videos. Marketers using faceless videos get 125% more viewership on all offers compared to normal videos. 87% marketers in UK confess seeing high ROI on their video marketing campaigns after using faceless video. So, it's crystal clear that creating and selling faceless videos online is a widely untapped opportunity, and marketers can bank in big by tapping into this huge industry. Now, if you too are willing to grab your pie from this huge opportunity, I've got some great news for you today. Proudly presenting
ClipsPro AI.
World's first AI tech. Transforms any keyword into stunning faceless videos for any niche and language in 60 seconds or less. Without writing scripts, without creating videos, without recording voiceovers, or without purchasing expensive tools. With this by your side, creating and selling attention, grabbing faceless videos for any offer in any niche becomes a cakewalk. Just follow 3 easy steps to get started. Step 1. Login. To get started, just log into this masterpiece and be on the fast track to success, using artificial intelligence to create stunning faceless videos that your audience simply love. Step 2. Insert keyword. Now, insert the keyword for which you're looking to create a video, and watch our proprietary AI tech create stunning, mind-blowing faceless video in a few clicks of your mouse. Remember, no wasting hours manually writing scripts, creating boring videos, or recording voiceovers. Step 3. Sell and profit. Boom, you're done. Now share or embed these industry-leading faceless videos on top social media platforms and see boatloads of dollars flowing in like never before. Want to know more? Check out some of the game-changing features inside
ClipsPro AI.
First to market AI tech converts any text into mind-blowing faceless videos. AI instantly create faceless videos without you even lifting a finger. AI creates attention-grabbing graphics and images for your videos. AI creates 10x more engaging video scripts. AI creates 100% human-like voice-over for your faceless videos. Create stunning pro-level faceless videos for any offer in any niche. Let AI drive free traffic daily on your videos for any niche, keyword, or market. Generate and embed your videos anywhere you want in 3 clicks. Export your videos and upload on YouTube, Instagram, and other top social giants with 0 copyright claims. Multi-language supported videos that help boost your global presence. AI creates auto subtitles and captions to get 10x audience attention. Get 10x more traction by embedding your stunning videos anywhere you like. Instantly reach out to red-hot prospects and convert them into lifetime buyers. 0 video creation, 0 voice-over recording, 0 third parties, and 0 freelancers needed. Nothing to download, install, or customize. Get started in seconds, and tons of other benefits when you grab your copy. Also, during this exclusive launch deal, you're also getting our limited time commercial license for no additional fee to provide high-in-demand faceless video creation services to hungry clients and bank in big. So be sure to take advantage of this while it's available at this crazy low one-time discounted price. Also, if you grab your copy today, you get premium bonuses worth $18,458 completely for free. As always, your purchase is backed by our rock-solid 30-day guarantee. There's no risk whatsoever attached. You'll also receive easy-to-understand video training and round-the-clock support from our excellent customer service team. Take my word, this is truly a game changer, and there is nothing like this out there at such a low price. Don't forget this is a limited time offer and will be taken down at any moment of time. So don't wait. Hit the button below to get instant access to
ClipsPro AI.
right now. Good luck, and we look forward to help you build AI-based attention-grabbing faceless videos and get 10x audience attention hands down.
Now, we need to talk about the funnel. This is important, so pay attention. The front-end version is great, but it does have limits. The starter plan usually limits you to about 10 videos a month. That's fine for testing, but if you want to scale, you need upgrades. OTO1 is the unlimited edition. It costs around $47. This removes all the caps. You get unlimited videos, unlimited scripts, and faster rendering. If you are serious about this, OTO1 is highly recommended. OTO2 is the automation edition. This allows you to set up workflows to create videos on autopilot daily. Great for lazy marketers like me. OTO3 is multi-language and dubbing. This lets you translate your videos into other languages instantly. This is a secret weapon for targeting low competition markets. OTO4 is the agency license. This adds client management features if you are running a business. My advice, grab the front end and OTO1. That combo gives you everything you need to dominate. I put this software through my usual torture test. I tried to make a video about a really obscure niche. I wanted to see if the AI would break. Honestly, I was surprised. It found relevant footage fast. The voiceover synced up perfectly. Is it Hollywood quality? No, you are not going to win an Oscar with this. But is it good enough to stop the scroll on Facebook or TikTok? Absolutely. And in this game, speed is money. Being able to pump out 10 videos in the time it used to take to make one is a game changer. However, I have to be real with you. Here is what this is not. This is not a magic button that prints money while you sleep instantly. You still need to do keyword research. You still need to upload the videos and write good titles. Also, sometimes the AI might pick a weird image that doesn't fit perfectly. You might need to swap a clip manually inside the editor. It takes a few seconds, but it is worth noting. If you are a perfectionist who needs every pixel to be custom, stick to Adobe Premiere. But if you want speed and traffic, this is for you. Imagine waking up tomorrow, you have a folder full of videos ready to upload. You didn't spend all night editing, you didn't stress about recording your voice. You just clicked a few buttons and let the AI do the heavy lifting. That is the freedom ClipsPro AI unlocks. It lets you stop being a video editor and start being a business owner. The launch pricing is only valid for a short time. If you wait, you will end up paying a monthly fee later. Don't let that happen. If you are ready to start creating viral faceless videos, click the link below. Secure your copy and get my exclusive bonus package. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I read and reply to everyone. Smash that like button if this review is helpful, and make sure to subscribe for more no-fluff reviews. This is Kamal from TestedApps.com. See you in the next video.